Just a second. Yes, let's start. So we are going to discuss quadratic equations. We are aware of this terminology quadratic. Okay, listen to me carefully. You will be able to understand. We will not rush today. We will be solving the question step by step. We will be understanding the details, like concept enough, like patiently we will be discussing. So from the very beginning, I am starting the discussion. Yesterday, I was doing it quickly overview. I have given what is there in the chapter. But from today, we are starting it. We are starting it properly and we will give it proper time. So quadratic equation. Have you heard this terminology quadratic anywhere? Alvina, Abdul,
Yes, ma'am.
where?
Under polynomials chapter.
Polynomial chapter. What was the degree of the polynomial? Then it was called quadratic polynomial. What was the degree?
The degree is 2.
Degree is 2. When the degree of the polynomial is 2, it's called quadratic polynomial. We have learned that. Okay, it's called quadratic polynomial. Here we are talking about that quadratic only. Yes. Here we are talking about that quadratic only, but this time it is not just polynomial. This time we are having an equation. Equation means there must be a equality sign. Any algebraic expression, let's say I am writing x square plus 2x plus 5, it is algebraic expression. It is polynomial. But once you will give equals to 32 or equals to anything, now it became equation. Okay, it became equation. Just a second. So once I have given the equality sign, it became equation. So here what are we discussing? Here we are going to discuss about quadratic equation. There will be equality sign. Equal sign has to be there. Doesn't matter what is there after, like on the right hand side of equals to, on the left hand side of equals to, what exactly we are having doesn't matter. Okay, whenever we are having equality sign in mathematics, there is a left hand side, there is a right hand side. Whatever is there on the left, whatever is there on the right, that's called equation. So here we will be talking about the quadratic equation. That means equality sign will be there. Now the first thing first, we will be having here. Let me take an example from the book. Yeah. First thing first, we will be having equation like this. Let's say we will be having equation like x square is equals to 5x. Or we will be having equation like maybe x is equals to x square plus 2. Or maybe having equation in the form Let's say minus x square plus 3 is equals to 0. Or not 0. Let me write it something. Is equals to, let's say, 15. Okay. 4 will be, let's say, x is equals to 3x plus x square minus 5. Now each and every equation we have to write it in standard form of quadratic equation. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay. Now, can you tell me, if we have to represent our equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in a standard form of quadratic equation, what can be written for that? Who joined just now?
And me, Afnan.
Okay, Afnan, we have started here quadratic equation. Okay, just now I have started and I have given, I said that this is the standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Now here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equation. Each and every equation we will try arranging in standard form. Can you tell me what will be our equation number 1 if we will try arranging it in standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Abdul, please tell me. If the first equation I want to write it in a standard format, what can I write over here? Yes, Abdul, what will be there? Equation 1 can be written as, can you see there in our standard form there is a 0 on one side. On the right hand side there is a 0. We will try maintaining that 0. Now can you tell me what will be our equation, Abdul?
x square minus 5x.
X square minus 5x is equals to 0. Now if you, once you have said it, it's perfectly fine. Can you please tell me also what is a, what is b and what is c here?
A is minus x square, b is minus 5x, and
A
c is
is,
0.
exactly, c is 0. Now let me tell you how to check what is a, what is b. If I will write the standard form over here, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Whatever is the coefficient of x square, that's a. x square के पहले जो बैठा है, that's a. That's only a. The coefficient of x square is a. Here, what is the coefficient of x square? What is the coefficient of x square? Afnan, what is the coefficient of x square? Alvina,
One. Ma'am, one.
1.
1 is the coefficient of x square. Okay, that is only a. A means x square के पहले जो x square के साथ जो multiplied है, that's a. A doesn't mean x like 1x square. A doesn't mean x square. A means 1 only. 1. Whatever is there in your equation in front of x square or whatever is multiplied with x square, that is a. What is b? B is, can you tell me, Abdul, now? B is
5x.
B is again 5x. B is whatever is multiplied with 5. Whatever is multiplied with x. x के साथ जो multiplied है वो b है. Okay? x नहीं बोलेंगे, 5x नहीं बोलेंगे. B means, can you see b के place पे कौन बैठा है? Can you see over here?
Yes.
What is there in, at the place of What is B?
5.
Just 5. It's not 5x, it's just 5. Whatever is multiplied with x, that's B. Okay. Now tell me, Abdul, is it plus 5 or minus 5?
Minus 5.
It is minus 5. Have you got it?
Yes.
Let's do the next one. Can you tell me what will be the next equation in standard form if we will try writing that?
Ma'am,
Alvina, what
x
will be
square
the next?
minus x plus 2 is equals 0.
X square minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. Perfect. See, Abdul, we can take this x on this side and we can make the left hand side 0. Any one side we have to make 0. That doesn't mean that always you are going to make the right hand side 0. You can make any one side 0, either the left hand side or the right hand side. Here it was simpler to make the left hand side 0. This x we have shifted to other side. Basically what she did, let me explain you. She has taken this x on the other side. It became x square minus x plus 2 over here, and this side completely became 0. Now this equation can be written as, we can write it as x square minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. Both are exactly same equation. Okay, when you are taking everything from the left side and putting it on the right, and everything from the right side and putting it on left, your equation is not going to change. Equation is like a seesaw. It's in equilibrium. Okay, it's like 50 kg person is sitting here and 50 kg person is sitting here. Now if you will take that 50 kg person and will make him sit here, and will take that 50 kg person and will make him sit here, still your equilibrium will be maintained. Your equation is not going to change. Okay, our equation is x square minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. If you want, in the very beginning you can take x square on this side, you can take 2 in this side, doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now can you tell me, Abdul, what is A, what is B, and what is C?
A is x square.
Again x square. Whatever is multiplied with x square, that is A. Whatever is multiplied with x square, that is A. What is there? Nothing. Nothing means 1 is there. Now tell me what is A?
1.
B?
Minus 1.
Perfect. C?
2.
Yes. Alvina, tell me what will be equation number 3? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me equation number 3. Yeah. Equation number 3 will be, Afnan, are you there? Are you audible? Okay. Okay, she has left already. Okay. Okay, no worries. Yes, tell me, Alvina. Now you two are there only. So I'll keep on asking you two. Please tell me, what are we going to have? Equation number 3, how can we, like, we just have to make one side as a 0. It doesn't matter your x square coefficient is negative or positive, doesn't matter at all. Okay. So now tell me, Alvina, what will be equation number 3?
Ma'am, is it minus x square plus 3x minus 15 equals 0?
It is not 3x, Alvina. It is just 3.
Okay.
minus 15 is equals to 0. Now you can do the calculation also. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do the calculation of this two.
Ma'am, minus 12.
Minus 12 is equals to 0. Now can you tell me A, B, C, Abdul?
A is minus 1, B is minus 12,
B is
C is
minus
0.
12. B is minus 12. X के साथ जो रहता है that's called B. ओके स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट में देखो, ध्यान से देखो, ए एक्स स्क्वायर बी एक्स प्लस सी इज इक्वल्स टू 0. जो एक्स स्क्वायर के साथ मल्टीप्लाइड है दैट्स कॉल्ड ए, जो एक्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाइड है वो बी होता है, एंड जो कांस्टेंट नंबर है दैट्स कॉल्ड सी. नाउ टेल मी अल्वीना व्हाट इज बी?
B will be 0.
अल्वीना exactly, and
Ma'am,
C will
B.
be? And C will be?
C will be minus 12.
Got it? Okay, whatever is multiplied with x square, that's A, B is 0, and C is minus 12. Abdul, got it? Whatever is multiplied with x square, that's B. And wait, whatever is multiplied with x, that's B. And if that term is not there, then there is no B. There is no B. B is 0. What is C? The constant number. If only number is there, that is C. So C is minus 12. Are you getting it, Abdul?
Yes.
Please tell me what will be the next one. Abdul. X equals to 3x plus x square minus 5. This is how the equation is there. If we will try writing it in the standard form, what will be the equation? Yes, tell me. Any side we can make 0. Left hand side also we can make 0. Okay, this x we can shift to another side. Now tell me, Abdul, what are we going to have?
A is 3,
3x. This x is going to that side. It will become plus x or minus x?
minus x,
Minus x plus x square minus 5. Now tell me 3x minus x is what?
2x,
2x plus x square minus 5. But standard format is having x square term at first. It is having x square term at first. So no worries, we will be writing x square first. Then we will be writing plus 2x. Then we will be writing minus 5. Now it looks like a standard format. Right, Abdul?
yes.
और अभी अभी मैंने बोला कि जो भी राइट हैंड साइड में है सब कुछ इफ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लिखते हैं, एंड जो भी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है अगर सब कुछ उठा के राइट हैंड साइड में रख दें तो हमारा इक्वेशन चेंज नहीं होता है. ओके हम लोग कुछ भी चेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट changing the operation, we are not transposing. The plus sign will be minus, minus will be plus, multiplication will be division, division will be multiplication. ये सब सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. कब? जब पूरा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेके राइट हैंड साइड में रख दे और पूरा राइट हैंड साइड लेके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. ओके दो साइड अगर इक्वेशन का है, यहाँ पे x है यहाँ पे y है, तो अगर y इज इक्वल टू एक्स भी लिखते हैं तो ये एक ही बात है. ठीक है, अगर यहाँ x प्लस 2 है, यहाँ y प्लस 3 है, तो अगर y प्लस 3 कंप्लीटली यहाँ रख दे और x प्लस 2 कंप्लीटली यहाँ रख दे तो एक ही बात है, साइड मैटर नहीं करता है। लेफ्ट साइड में जो बैठा है वो नहीं बोलेगा कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लीव माई प्लेस, ओके, they will not say. We will say I am taking your friends also, let's go on other side, and this will also go on the other side. The condition is we are taking their friends also on the other side, okay. That's how the equation is not getting changed. X square plus 2x minus 5 is equals to 0, या फिर 0 is equals to x square plus 2x minus 5, एक ही बात है. Now can you tell me, Alvina, what is A, what is B and what is C? Quickly.
A is 1, B is 2, and C is minus 5.
Okay, got it, Abdul?
Yes.
This is how we will be expressing the given equation in the standard form. Now the next concept over here is check whether the following are quadratic equations. Number 1, x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 3. Number 2, x into x plus 1 plus 8 is equals to x plus 2, x minus 2. Number 3, x 2x plus 3 is equals to x square plus 1. Number 4, x plus 2 whole cube is equals to x cube minus 4. Okay. 4 question we will be doing together and we will see the instruction. Okay, whenever you are going to solve any question in mathematics, Alvina, Abdul, read the instruction carefully. Read it very carefully. Let's read it. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. That means check it. Check it whether the given equation is quadratic or not. Let's check it. How we will be checking? By doing the simplification. Then we will check it whether it's a quadratic equation, yes or no. Let's check it. So the first one. Can you tell me, Alvina, what is the formula for this x minus 2 whole square? Can we apply any identity over here, Alvina?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me how can we expand it? Yes, Abdul, do you know that? Abdul? Okay, I'm writing the formula here, then you tell me. Okay. The formula is, if we are having a minus b whole square, okay, first I am writing a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. If we are having a minus b whole square, the formula is a square. Note it down. Okay, note it down. Then you have to tell me. I will drag it up and then you will be telling me in this whatever formula we will need. A square minus b square, the formula is a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in two. Please don't get confused in formula number 2 and formula number 3. ये दोनों अलग अलग formula है. Okay, you are not going to get confused in this formula number 2 and the formula number 3. Be careful, these two are completely different scenario. If you are writing, if you are taking A as a 4 and B as a, let's say 3, or let's say B as a 1. ओके, तो a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर का मतलब होता है 4 माइनस 1 का कंप्लीट स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स 4 माइनस 1 क्या होता है 3, 3 का कंप्लीट स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स 9. ये हुआ फॉर्मूला नंबर 2, a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. ओके, एंड फॉर्मूला नंबर 3 is a square minus b square, that means 4 square minus 1 square. 4 square is, can you tell me Abdul, what is 4 square? Abdul, can you tell me what is 4 square?
16.
16. And 1 square is
1. So
16 minus
15.
1, 15. Can you see the result of this one and the result of this one, how it is completely different? I have seen a student getting confused between formula number 2 and formula number 3. Can you see, Alvina? It is completely different scenarios.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me write the other formula. A plus b whole cube formula is a cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b plus b cube. Formula number 5, a minus b whole cube formula is a cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b cube. Written. Abdul, I was explaining here. Are you there? Okay, you are there. Let's see. Here I was explaining that a minus b whole square means, suppose you have taken a as a 4 and b as a 1. So a minus b whole square means 4 minus 1 whole square. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 whole square. 3 whole square means 9. So a minus b whole square, we got 9. And if we are thinking about the formula number 3 where we are having a square minus b square, that means the same number I am taking, a as a 4, b as a 1. So 4 square minus 1 square, that means 16 minus 1, that means 15 is the result. So a square minus b square result is 15 and a minus b whole square result is 9 when we are taking same a and same b. Formula number 2 and formula number 3 here is completely different scenario. Can you see it? फॉर्मूला नंबर 2 में a माइनस बी पहले कर रहे हैं और तब जाके स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं जो भी रिजल्ट आ रहा है, और फॉर्मूला नंबर 3 में a का स्क्वायर कर दे रहे, b का स्क्वायर कर दे रहे और तब सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं. कैन यू सी इट? Please don't get confused in between formula number 2 and 3. Have you noted down all the formulas? Alvina and Abdul. Have you noted down all the formulas? Yes or no? Yes, Alvina. Have you noted down all the formulas? Abdul, have you noted it down? Have you noted it down? Abdul, am I audible to both of you? Okay, let's start.
Yes.
So if you have noted down the formula, then let's do it. Number 1. Now can you tell me x minus 2 whole square will be what? Number 1. Tell me. Who will tell me? Abdul, Alvina, anyone? If you have noted down the formula, please expand it and tell me what are you going to have. A minus b whole square का formula apply करते हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, it will be a square minus 2ab 2 into a into b plus b square. Okay, then plus 1 is there is equals to 2x minus 3. This is how we will be applying the formula. Do you know that how to use the formula? This is our A, this is our B. We have just applied the formula. That's it. Getting it? First, let me know if that much is clear or not. Then only I will move ahead. Okay, let's move. Alvina, are you able to listen to me? X square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 3. Please do the simplification, Abdul. Take everything on one side. Do the simplification and let me know. Is it a quadratic equation? We will be bringing this 2x on this side. It will be plus 2x or minus 2x on this side, Abdul. 4 plus 1 is 5, I am writing. Okay, 2x I want to bring to this side, left hand side. Okay, will it be plus 2x or minus 2x on left hand side?
Yes.
Plus is 2x for the minus 2x. It is already positive on the right hand side. Can you see it is already positive? 2x के सामने क्या sign है? 2x के सामने तो कुछ भी नहीं है. So if nothing is there in front, that means it's a positive number. Okay, if I am writing 5, is it a positive number or negative number? 5 के सामने क्या sign है वो decide करेगा ये positive number है कि negative number है. 5 के सामने क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं. That means it's a positive number. Okay, it's having positive sign in front. If I am writing plus 5, we can see clearly it's positive. So whatever is there in front of the number, that will decide. In front, not in the back. Okay, if I am writing minus 5, we can see it clearly. It's a negative number. Now tell me whether if I am writing 2x, is it a positive or negative? We can see nothing is there in front of 2x. That means it's positive. Okay, so either positive sign will be there or nothing will be there, then it's positive. And when you are going to change the sign, it will become negative. Do you know that plus becomes minus? This 2x is plus over here, plus 2x we are having over here. If you will change the side, Abdul, it will be minus 2x on this side. Are you getting it? Now tell me, 3. If you are going to take 3 from that side, will it be plus 3 over here or minus 3 over here?
Minus.
इस 3 को अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ट्रांसफर कर ले तो यहाँ पे ये minus 3 आएगा कि plus 3 आएगा? Whenever we are changing the side, plus becomes minus. Okay, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction becomes addition, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. So this 3 is negative over here. When we will change the side, it will be positive 3 on this side is equals to nothing, 0. Getting it? Are you getting? Can you solve it now and tell me what answer you are getting? Do the simplification, whatever is possible on the left hand side, and let me know what you are getting exactly. If your mic is not working, that is perfectly fine, Abdul. You have to tell me what exactly you are getting. You can write in the chat box. I am keeping my eyes on the chat box. Please tell me what will be the next step. We are having x square minus 4x plus 5 minus 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. We need to do the simplification, whatever is possible on the left hand side. Let me know what are we going to have. I am waiting for your response. Write it in the chat box. If nobody will respond, I will wrap it up here only. Okay? Because I am not sure whether you are getting or not. So I cannot continue like that. Please let me know what will be the next step. Simple simplification you have to do. Alvina, what happened to you? Am I audible? Yes, Abdul, what will be the next step? You can write it over here. Minus 4x minus 2x will be what? Abdul, Alvina. Are you working on it, Abdul?
Yes.
What will be the next step? Please tell me.
Subtract minus 4x minus 2x.
X square minus 4x minus 2x is what?
Minus 2x.
Just a second. Just a second. Yeah. Minus 4x minus 2x is minus 2x minus minus plus, right? We have to add them. Minus 4x minus 2x is what? Minus 6x. Minus minus plus. We have to add this 4x and 2x. We have to add them. 4x and 2x, we have to add them. When you will be adding this 2, it will be 6x. Why we are adding it? Because minus minus, we have to do the addition of two negative number. Okay? We are going to get 6x from here. And the result will be plus 6x or minus 6x, Abdul. Now, can you tell me, will it be plus 6x or minus 6x?
Minus.
Minus 6x. Okay. 5 plus 3 will be what?
Plus
8.
8.
Plus 8 is equals to 0. Is it quadratic equation? X square minus 6x plus 8 is equals to 0. The last step. Is it a quadratic equation? Is it quadratic?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. This is how we have to solve it. And we have to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Can you do? Can you do the next one, number 2? Please do it, Alvina and Abdul, and let me know what is the final equation.
No, ma'am, it's not a quadratic equation.
What are you getting, Alvina? The final equation after simplification. Yes, Alvina, what are you getting?
I got x plus 4 minus x equals
X plus 4 minus
8.
8 is equals to 0. Have I written it correctly the way you say?
Yes,
4 minus 8 is still we can do. Yes, we can see it's not quadratic. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. X minus 4 is equals to 0. Let me check. Abdul, first you tell me what you got. Abdul,
X is equal to 8, I got.
x equals to 8 you got. Okay, let's check it. We will be applying distributive property here. This we will multiply with this one. This the same we will multiply with this one. We are going to have x square plus x plus 8 is equals to x plus 2 x minus 2, that is x square minus 4. Okay, now we will take everything on one side. We are having x square plus x plus 8. X square will be negative over here and minus 4 will be plus 4 over here is equals to 0. Okay, this is how we try maintaining 0 on one side. Now x square cancelled. X plus 8 plus 4 I am having. X plus 8 plus 4 I am having is equals to 0. Can you see? It is plus 8 plus 4. What I have written on the other side, why directly I ended up writing x square minus 4. Can you see the pattern? A plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. The formula for this is a square minus b square. Have you noted down all the formula properly?
yes, ma'am.
A square will be x square, minus will be minus, b square will be 2 square. 2 square means 4. Getting it what I have written on the right hand side, the first step?
Yes,
Is it clear now? Yes, it is not quadratic. So we have to do the simplification and then we have to check whether it is quadratic or not. The next two question also the same way. The way we checked over here, same way we have to check for number 3, same way we have to check for number 4, whether it is quadratic or not by using these formulas. Okay. Today I have already activated the assessment. Please go and give the assessment. If you feel any doubt in any of the question, please let me know. Can you do it quickly, number 3, and tell me whether it is quadratic or not? Number 3, it is very simple. You will be able to do it in few minutes only. Please do it and tell me whether it is quadratic or not. Abdul and Alvina, do it. Yes, is it quadratic?
No, it's not quadratic.
It's not quadratic. Alvina, it's not quadratic.
ma'am, it is.
It is. Let's check it. We will multiply x with the first term, 2x square. We will multiply x with the second term, plus 3x. is equals to x square plus 1. We will transfer everything on one side. We will be having 2x square plus 3x minus x square minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. 2x square minus x square is just x square. 3x will be plus 3x because there is no other x, and minus 1 will be minus 1 is equals to 0.